was born in Palermo from a very ancient Palermitana family, but when I was 5, we left Sicily, wandering here and there, Lugano, Milan, Naples. When I was almost 10, we moved to Catania, where I still now live. Every Friday I used to get the bus to Palermo in order to meet with my numerous cousins. This motorway joined Catania to Palermo throughout the inland of Sicily. This vehicle had for me a sort of magic, like being in an amusement park. I was amazed by the orange groves, the endless grain fields, Enna and Calascibetta, the cows, and the exit Ponte Cinque Archi, 5 Arches Bridge, a name that reminds me of a fairy tale. What can it be? I asked myself, trying to see something through the window. I was very happy when I discovered it with my motorcycle some years later. There really was a bridge with 5 arches. My 8 great-grandparents moved to USA in the early 20th century from different villages in western Sicily, Roccapalumba, Bisaquino, Salaparuta, and Cefalù. They settled up in Moroi, hinterland of Louisiana. Dozens of Sicilian families moved to North Louisiana, working in the sugarcane and cotton fields. I was born in New Orleans in 1960. I remember that for Christmas time we would drive from New Orleans to Moroi, driving through the village of Sicily Island. Really curious the name of this village for so many Sicilians born living in this area. The bayous of Sicily Island were decorated with numerous lighted Christmas trees and holiday banners. Across their main street, I would smile with anticipation, knowing we were getting closer to Grandma's house. The smell of the Christmas tree and her cooking the Christmas dinner and desserts, Sicilian flavors in Morocco.